shove, pop shove at least. Alright, so this is a 360 pop shove and a kick flip together. So it's gonna look something like that, and then you wanna like flick like when it's like at 90 degrees possibly, you just flick like straight out. Don't even worry, like it's all in the back foot. Just remember to scoop real hard, and then just give a nice rotation and then try to land it. I'm gonna give you another example. We'll go out there and try to do it. Keep it. I want to see the first.